At Novastem, we specialize in health restoration using platelet rich plasma therapy and stem cell treatments. One day. Our one-day treatment includes a full combination of anti-aging, aesthetic, and corporal therapies ideal for reducing inflammation, hydrating your body, and replenishing nutrients. One-day detox. You can also enjoy a single-day detox-only treatment to freshen up and give your immune system a boost. Sexual health. For our male patients, we offer a specially designed treatment that improves performance and sexual health through a direct application of platelet-rich plasma. Testosterone applications can also enhance this PRP treatment by preventing hormonal and nutrient deficiencies caused by aging. Hormone replacement therapy. Women in their late 40s or early 50s can experience low estrogen and progesterone levels. To avoid hair thinning, dry skin, wrinkles, mood swings, fatigue, decreased sexual drive, and even some more pronounced situations like breast cysts, we provide a non-synthetic, custom-made bioidentical hormone treatment. Joint pain. For patients experiencing pain on their knees or joints, we recommend direct PRP applications to promote tissue regeneration, reduce inflammation, and minimize pain. Joint health. We also offer stem cell treatments to maintain healthy joints. Stem cells release growth factors that reduce inflammation and promote tissue regeneration. A combination of these cells with a multivitamin infusion is recommended for better results. Novastem. We help you take control of your health